Hello everyone, welcome back to Wayne's Garage. Now today just going to do a quick little bit of a cut out here because there's more rust down on the bottom area and that up here. So on the top of this tape line I'm just going to cut that and then down along there to cut this area out so we can actually have a look in behind there. So alright, hopefully the camera doesn't run out of space and yeah, alright, let's go. Now, just pain in the butt. Close. That's long in this spot well, right. Alright everyone, I'm going to just leave this video for now, and that other because I've got to find a thicker grinding disc, because in behind here there is a section for the chassis rail that's a support bit in behind here for the inside of the U-tray. So in behind all this there's another bit that's actually been couple of tack bead welds on the inside of the ute, so I'm going to have to go and grind them off to hopefully take this section here out. Behind this section is the inner part of the, again there's a chassis rail support bit in there, but there's a whole heap more mess, yeah, project plate work again, so that's, like as the saying goes, one step forward, two steps back. Well, at the moment with this ute it's been one step forward and 10 steps backwards. But we've got one major structural bit of rust fixed and done. Once again, like, there's still two areas that I need to make up on that, but before I make them up I want to get into behind here, because if I've got to make up this whole section down along here as well, and that, because I've got to make an area in behind the dog leg here as well, because it's badly patched. And that, so I'm going to leave it for now. So I'll do an update video once I've got it out, and then you guys can see what I'm dealing with and what I'm having to make patches and all that for. So yeah, right then. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for the to the new subscribers for subscribing to the channel. Thanks heaps, guys and girls. Plugging it away, nearly at 6,900 views, and that's all these little short little videos are helping at the moment, because that's all I can do is just keep chugging along and keep doing small updates for you, just to keep you all watching. So yeah, right then, thanks heaps. If you have any ideas on any videos that I can do and you want to see done, please let us know in the comments below. If you haven't liked the videos, please give us a big thumbs up. It all helps and keeps me motivated as well to keep making these videos. So yeah, once again, got some stickers still. I've got about 10 or so stickers available left. More coming in the next week or two. Also hitting up Autobarn, maybe to see if they're interested in giving a go, selling the stickers as well. So that'll only be the local one at the moment. T-shirts, on taking orders for T-shirts. So if you're interested in a T-shirt, email us through the Wayne's Garage Facebook page, and we can have a chat there about them. Same with the coffee mugs as well. And they'll come in 2 different styles. One with Wayne's Garage on it, and that on its own, and Wayne's Garage with the Ute on it too. And looking at also doing a third one just on its own with the Wayne's Garage shrunk down with the Ute. So yeah. Alright then everyone, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Cheerio for now.